a quadcopter, and the camera, when it's filming, it's creating that Jello effect, those horizontal lines. Maybe you can see some of that in this video. Okay, so we have horizontal lines and it's like a wave pattern. Okay, to eliminate that Jello effect, I used a foam like this one. It's a bit harder, it's not too soft, as you can see. Okay, I inserted a piece of that foam above the camera. So this larger foam, which is on the entire width of the drone, is for fixing the camera using Velcro, just to have something to grip into. Okay, and the important one is that small piece, which is inserted between the camera and the top portion of the drone. So the camera is being held by this U-shaped metal, which is visible here on the side, that one and that one, but that's not enough. I added onto the top that soft foam also, and now there is no Jello in the video. This one is from the box of the flight controller itself. This video has some Jello shaking. This video does not have any Jello effect. Just add a piece of harder foam above the camera to hold it better, and the Jello should be fixed. Although this is a CMOS sensor camera, CMOS sensors have that Jello effect. CCD does not have that unwanted effect, but we don't have CCD FPV cameras which can also record, because this is a RunCam Split and it's also recording inside here.